Outstanding design defines the 2015 Mazda 3. This four-door, five-passenger sedan is waiting for you to take home. It features a front-wheel drive platform, an automatic transmission, and a 2-liter four-cylinder engine. All of the premium features expected of a Mazda are offered, including a blind spot monitoring system, an outside temperature display, heated door mirrors, remote keyless entry, and the power moonroof opens up the cabin to the natural environment. Mazda ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as dual front impact airbags with occupant sensing airbag, front side impact airbags, traction control, brake assist, anti-whiplash front head restraint, a panic alarm, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. This car was designed with safety in mind, allowing you to drive with even greater assurance. We have a skilled and knowledgeable sales staff with many years of experience satisfying our customers' needs. Come on in and take a test drive.